just marks the last one. I'm SuperMachine92, by the way. Welcome to match 5 of Super Battle Blitz Revival 2. I can't wait for this to be over, because after the final re-upload and re-edit video is done today, I don't have to start all over anymore. Anyways, last time in match 4, I took on David for the 3rd time for a tiebreaker match. And despite becoming close again, this time I changed the ending of it. me getting the upper hand this time. Although I didn't notice that David was going to be out of breath in the final seconds. That's how I got the upper hand. But gotta give props to him for battling through the end. Nice work, David. Anyways, with me with 3 wins and the challenge is 0, I have a comfortable lead. But it doesn't mean it's gonna last very long. I know soon enough things will change around for good this time. And since there's nothing I can do to go against it, all I can do is be ready for it. Win or lose, I must be prepared, no matter what kind of circumstances. Anyways, now for today's challenger I'm facing today is a familiar face from Super Battle Blitz Revival 1. It's not Neal, it's not Joshua. I barely get to hear from them. It's the final opponent from Revival 1, and that's Neal. Originally, Neal was gonna make his way into Revival 2 at the beginning of the New Year's, but unfortunately, due to an injury on his left leg, he was unable to participate. He was sidelined for a few months. So now that he's healed and ready to go now, let's see how much he changes since we last fought. Will I add another win on this, or the tables have turned for me today? And Neal's character that he chooses from Holiday Creations Volume 2 is Spin-Off Warrior. Gotta say, I guess he wants to be the Spin-Off Warrior since he's a big fan of that character. Not so sure, I guess he liked the way I created him on the big canvas. But either way, let's get started on this Revival 1 reunion. Go time!
It's just that. It was just a tap, no worries. You okay? Yeah. that one. Time's up. Oh, ooh. Do I have to punch you on the legs? I try not to. I try not to. Yep. Oh, you okay? Yep. Ooh. Time's up.
Whoa. You've won that one.
Yeah. Just check out the scores. Nice breeze. Nice shot.
I bet he tapped you.
Congratulations, Neal. You won. And not only that, you burned out my wing spring. I wasn't kidding when something that will change soon enough, or sooner or later, to be honest. But either way, I was in for a surprise. And that was a good battle, by the way. And Neal changed a lot since we last fought, since the New Year's battle. Gotta train up and be ready for him. And that makes it the first victory for the challengers. Even though I'm ahead with 3 wins and challengers with 1, I only just begun. So I gotta get back to practice and be ready for more, for many battles to come. And before I go though, here are 2 things. For our art of the day, we have blue gear. And yes, the character from Holiday Creations Volume 5 will make it to the big sketch. After all, he's one of my favorite characters that I've created since I began Holiday Creations Volume 5. And I'm on the road to the final character in the coming weeks. And for the photo souvenir, we have the Revival Reunion. And me and Neal from Revival 1 have made a triumph return. And we battled our best, just like old times say. Well, that wraps up for today, and that's it for the re-upload battles. And it's back to the ritual schedule, which is the upcoming battles. And there's one coming this way on the weekend. Hopefully we be there for it. I'll see you again next time. See you. Battle Blitz Fighters out.